Good evening. This is the second lecture of the chapter HCF and LCM. Today we will do exercise 8a. So the first question is, write all the factors of 15, 55, 48, 36 and 84. We have to write all the factors of the given numbers. So the first number is 15. The first number is, question number 1, the first number is 15. We have to write all the factors of 15. All the factors, that means including prime factors and including a factor which is not prime. Clear? All the factors. So all the factors of 15 are 1, 15, 3 and 5. 1 and 15 are prime factors and 3 and 5 are non-prime factors. So you have to write all the factors of 15, that is 1, 15, 3 and 5. Clear? Next number 2. Next number is 55. So 1 will be a factor, 55 itself will be a factor, 5 will be a factor and 11 will also be a factor. Next number 3. Number 3, 48. 1, 48. Any number is divisible by 1 and the number itself, that means 1 and that number itself will be a factor of the given number. Next also 3 will be a factor. 2 will be a factor because if we divide 48 by 3, quotient is 16 and the remainder is 0. That means 3 into 16 equals to 48, 3 will be a factor. 2 into 24, that is 48, that is 2 will also be a factor. Clear? Next 4 12s are 48, 4 12s are 48, so 4 will also be a factor. Next 24, that is also a factor, 24 2s are 48, 16 3s are 48, that also be a factor. Next 12 4s are 48, that's also a factor. So the factors of 48 are 1, 48, 3, 2, 4, 16 and 12. Clear? Next this is 4. This is 4. Next number is 36. 36. So 1 is a factor. 36 itself is a factor. Next 2 is a factor. 2 18s are 36. 2 18s are 36. So 18 also a factor. 18 2s are 36. 2 18s are 36. That is 2 is a factor. 18 is a factor. Next 3 12s are 36. So 3 is a factor. 12 is a factor. Clear? Next 6 are 36. So 6 also be a factor. Clear? Next number 5. 84. 1 is a factor, 84 is also a factor. Next 2 is a factor because if we divide by 2, answer is quotient is 42. If we divide 84 by 2, quotient is 42. So 2 is a factor. Next 42 is a factor. Clear? Next 7 is a factor because 7 12s are 84. 12 is a factor, 12 7s are 84. So the factors of 84 are 1, 84, 2, 42, 7 and 12. So these are the factors of the given numbers. Clear? Next. Next question number 2. Write all the prime number less than 25 and between 15 and 35. First question is, write all the prime numbers less than 25. So we have already know that prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 and the number itself. Prime number is a number which is divisible by 1 and the number itself. So we have to write the numbers, the prime numbers which is less than 25. Less than 25 means you cannot include 25. Clear? If 25 is a prime number, you cannot include 25 because the question says less than 25. So we will go up to 24. We will not include 25. If it is a prime number, we cannot include. Clear? We will write up to 24. Even 25 is a prime number, we cannot include. If 25 is a prime number, we cannot include. Clear? We will go up to 24. Clear? Because the question says less than 25. So all the prime numbers less than 25. Less than 25 means we will start with 2. Clear? 2 is a prime number. Next 3, 5, 7, because after 3, 4 there is a composite number, not a prime. After 5, 6 there is also a composite number. After 7, 8 is a composite number. 9 also a composite number. 10 composite number. Next 11 It is a prime number. 13, 15, 17, 19. Next 20 is a composite number. 21, 3 sevens are 21. So 21 is a composite. 22 is a composite. 2 11s are 22. 22 is a composite. Next 23. Clear. Next 24 is a composite number. 24 is a composite number, and lastly 25, which we cannot write because the question says less than 25. So we will go up to 24. So the prime numbers less than 25 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 and 23. Next, question number 2. All the prime numbers between 15 and 35. All the prime numbers between 15 and 35. Between 15 and 35 means we have to write numbers between 15 and 35. That means we cannot include 15 and we cannot include 35, even it is a prime number. If 15 and 35 is a prime number, if 15 and 35 is a prime number, we cannot include the numbers, these two numbers, because the question says we have to write numbers between 15 and 35. Clear? So we will start from 16. We will start from 16. 16 is not a prime number, so the next number is 17. It is a prime number. 18 is not a prime number. 19 is a prime number. Clear? Next 21, 22 not a prime number, so the next number is 23. Next 24 is not a prime number. 25 is also not a prime number. 26 not a prime number because 2 13s are 26. 27, 3 9s are 27, not a prime number. 28, it is divisible by 2, so it is not a prime number. Next 29 is a prime number. Clear? Next 30 is not a prime number. 31 is a prime number. 32, it is divisible by 2, so it is not a prime number. Next 33, divisible by 3, not a prime number. 34, it is also divisible by 2, not a prime number. And lastly 35, which we cannot write. So the numbers, prime numbers between 15 and 35 are 17, 19, 23, 29 and 31. Next, question number 3. Write all the prime numbers from 2 to 32. Write all the, this is question number 2. Question 3, question 2. Write all the prime numbers from 2 to 32. Listen carefully. Write all the prime numbers from 2 to 32. We have to write all the prime numbers from 2 to 32. That means we can include 2 and we can include 32 also. The question says we have to write prime numbers from 2 to 32, মানে 2 থেকে up to 32 অবধি আমাকে লিখতে হবে prime number. So here we can include 2 and 32. Clear? Here we can include 2 and 32 if it is a prime number. Clear? So we will start from 2. We know 2 is a prime number, so we can write 2. Next 3, next 5, 7, 8 is not a prime number, 9 is not a prime number also, 10 not prime number. So the next prime number is 11, next 13, next 17, because 14 is not a prime number, 15 also not a prime number. 14 is divisible by 2, 15 is divisible by 3 and 5 also. 6 is also divisible by 2, so the next prime number is 17, next 19, next 20, 21 is composite number, 22 is also a composite number. Next number is 23. Clear? Next number 24 composite number, 25 also composite number, 26 is a composite number, 27 is a composite number, 28 also a composite number because this number is divisible by 2 and 3. Clear? These numbers from 24 to 28, these numbers, some numbers is divisible by 2, 5, 3. That means from 24 to 28 we cannot write these numbers because all these numbers are composite numbers. So beyond 28 the next number is 29, it is a prime number. Clear? Next number 30, not a prime number, it is a composite number. 31 is a prime number, and the next number is 32. 32 is a composite number, so we cannot write 32, but if it is a prime then we can write 32 because we have to write all the numbers from 2 to 32. That means we can include 2 and we can include 32 also if these two numbers are prime. Clear? So the prime numbers from 2 to 32 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29 and 31. Next, question number 3. All the prime numbers from 8 to 48. Here also we can include 8 and 48 also if it is a prime number because the question says from 8 to 48. From 8 to 48. That means we can include 8 and 48 also if it is a prime number. So start with 8. we know 8 is not a prime number, clear, so we cannot write. 9 is also not a prime number, 10 also not a prime number, so the first number will be 11, clear. Next prime number 13, next 14, 15, 16 not a prime number, so the next number will be 17, 19, 20, 21, 22 not a prime number, so the next number will be 23. Next 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 not a prime number, so the next number will be 29. Next 30 not a prime number, 31, 32 is not a prime number, divisible by 2, 33 divisible by 3 not a prime number, 34 divisible by 2 not a prime number, 35 also divisible by 5, 36 divisible by 6, 37 is a prime number. Next 38 divisible by 2 not a prime number, 39 divisible by 3 divisible by 13 not a prime number, 40 divisible by 2 not a prime number. Next number is 41, prime number. 42 is a composite number, divisible by 2. Next number is 42 up to 43, it is a prime number. 44 divisible by 4, 2, 11 not a prime number. 45 divisible by 5, 3, 9 not a prime number. 46 divisible by 2. Next number is 47, it is a prime number, and then 48 is not a prime number, so we will not write 48. So the numbers, prime numbers from 8 to 48 are 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47. Next, question number 4. Question number 4 says, write the prime factors of 27 and 49. Prime factors of 27. Prime factors of 27. Clear? So we will write only prime factors. We will write only prime factors here. Prime factors of 27. A prime factor should be a prime number. Listen carefully. Prime factors should be a prime number. If it says only factors, then the numbers need not to be prime. It can be prime, it cannot be prime. Clear? But if the question says only prime factors, then the numbers should be prime. That means here we will write only prime numbers, which are factor of 27. Clear? So prime factors of 27. Prime factors of 27 are, you can do rough work like this. You can do it in your rough work. Clear? Do it in rough work. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. That means 3 3s. Clear? So prime factors of 27 are 3 into 3 into 3. You can write it 3 to the power 3. Clear? Look at carefully. These numbers are prime numbers. That means prime factor of 27 are 3 to the power 3. These numbers should be prime. If it says the factors of prime factors of 27, that these numbers should be prime. Next, question number 4. Question number 4, 49. Question number 4, 49. That means it also 7 into 7. That means 7 square. So the prime factors of 27 are 3 into 3 into 3. That is, you can write like this. Prime factors of 27 are like this, or you can write prime factor of 49 are. Clear? Next, question number 5. If Pn means prime factors of n, find P24. If Pn means prime factors of n, that is Pn means prime factors of n. This is prime factors of n. If Pn is prime factors of n, find P24. We have to find P24. So we will first find the factors of 24. So you will write factors of 24, that is F24 equals to factors of 24 F24. What are the factors of 24? Listen carefully. We have to write only factors. Only factors means the factor should be prime, the factor should not be a prime. Clear? That means the numbers need not be a prime number. It can be prime, it cannot be prime. We have to write only factors. That means prime factors and non-prime factors both are included. Clear? So factors of 24 are F24 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. This is 6, 8, 12 and 24. So factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Next, Prime factor, next prime factor, that is PF24. This is prime factors. Clear? So you will write here prime factors of 24, PF24, that is prime factors of 24. So choose prime numbers from here. That will be your prime factors of 24. Choose prime numbers. What the prime numbers are? The prime numbers are 2, it is a prime number, and 3. These two are prime numbers. So the prime factors of 24 will be 2 and 3. This is your answer. Clear? Remaining sums are, do your homework. Remaining sums will be your homework. Clear? Thank you. This is the continuation part of lecture 2. This is the continuation part of lecture 2. Find the factors of 84. This will be, find the factors of 84. This will be the factors of 1 and 84 itself. Clear? 2 will also be a factor. 2 42s are 84, that is 42 also be a factor. 3 28s are 84. If 84 is divisible by 3, then 3 quotient is 28, that means 3 also be a factor. 28, 3 28s are 84 is a factor. If it is divisible by 4, the quotient is 21, so this is a factor. If it is divisible by 6, 6 14s are 84, so 14 also be a factor. Next, if it is divisible by 7, the quotient is 12, so 7 12s are 84, this also be a factor. So the factors of 84 will be 1, that is a number, and 84, that is itself is a number, 184. 2 will also be a factor. 2 42s are 84. 3 is a factor. 3 28s are 84. 4 21s are 84 factor. If it is divisible by 6, then 6 14s are 84, so it will also be a factor. And then 7 is divisible by 7, then quotient is 12, so 7 12s are 84, this also be a factor. So the factors of 84 are 1 84, 2 42, 3 28, 4 21, 6 14, 7 and 12. Yeah, thank you.